decided to come back in and add more to this video. I realized that sometimes whenever I do my reviews or my initial unboxing, I don't really give you guys all the details that I feel as though you deserve, especially after looking back on it. So it is a lace front wig. So as you guys can see, the cap construction, the knots are bleached. It's a different cap construction from my wig. My wig is a frontal wig. This cap, it feels nice and sturdy, actually. I'm not sure what type of a cap it is, but it's really nice. She does have the adjustable strap here in the back. It's attached on both sides. This one is a little bit better, so if you guys have watched any of my other videos, I have a few wigs from Freedom Couture, and they have the same setup, except their straps here are as thick as this, which for me, I had to end up taking it off and just putting on a regular elastic band because it was too thick. So I actually like this one because it's just as thin here as just a regular elastic band, and you still have that convenience of having it be adjustable, in addition to these little bra straps that you guys have back here that kind of hook in here. And then you also have the 3 combs. 4. I like that. So you have 2 on this side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. So I definitely like that about the wig. In addition to that, it is very full. I definitely can't wait to see what this looks like. It does, like I said, have a very nice natural fullness to it. I am gonna wet a portion of this and come back on camera so you guys can see what the curls look like once they're defined. So I'm back. I wetted a little bit of a portion of it, and you guys can see those curls are just very nice and natural and very defined. So it'll be interesting to see what this wig looks like once it's on my aunt's head. Like I said, that video is gonna be coming probably in about a month and some change because, you know, my vacation's not here yet. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.